Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this video about US dollar index because it's reaching to the target and it's about to make the turn, I guess. So let's see what happens. So I made a video yesterday or day before yesterday about the whole situation, right? So I'm going to show only a few charts. This is USD index weekly chart I made first on June 7th, and then update was on 6th July, right? For what it's supposed to be coming down here, 0926 or 0893, and then this rising TL. So this was the target, and this is the chart I made on 27th July. And notice that it says that B wave triangle. So we are going for wave like D, A, B, C, D, and then we're supposed to go E for the E to the upside for finishing the wave blue count wave B. Right, so that would be the triangle. So are we going to go to the upside and finishing up? First, let's see how far we are in there, right? And it's supposed to be what's happening if it is coming down or USD getting weaker, then these four pairs will be going up and these three pairs will be going down. That's what I said on the chart. And that's exactly what happened. And this happened. And then let me see, that's happened. And this chart is on the 17th August, and today is 20th. And where we stand here. You see that? So we broke below 1026, we broke below 0926, and we are at 0893. A little bit more, we hit this TL, the final target of this chart that I started making a couple of months ago, right? A few months ago, actually. Now, for May 1st, May is gone, June is gone, July is gone, and August 20th, we are finally here. So after that, right now, what's happening is Jackson Hole Symposium or whatever it is, and then they might say something there, or something will happen that maybe make the USD stronger again, and then we're gonna be bouncing from here. That's what I'm hoping and waiting for. That once we hit this area, and if we make the turn in from this area and then start to go to the upside, then the situation will be changed. But from there to here, coming down. I said this is going to happen, right? So only from August 6th, let's take a look what happened from August this month, August 6th to August 20. What happened to these pairs, right? And then you will see how important it is to watch the index because they give you a very, very good sense of direction in all these pairs. For example, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD is supposed to be going to the upside when USD is getting weaker. So let's take a look. Euro USD, this is August 6th. Even from there, so let's say this is August 1st, right? And after that, it was going up from here, then it went up a little bit, retracement, and then again going to the upside. Pound USD, this is August the 6th, but you can see it was going from here. Then it came down because of the pound news or something. And then again, USD weakness took it to the upside. Aussie USD, August 6th, going to the upside. New USD, August, this yellow line is August the 6th, right? And then went up all the way. Now, other three pairs supposed to be going down. These three, UJ, UC, and UF. So let's go take a look. UC, USD CAD, August 6th, down. UJ, August 6th, is went up first because of the yen. Yen took it to the upside, and then again, now coming down because of the USD. And USD franc did the same thing. It went up first because, the weakness in Frankie, but now again coming down here, right? So last 3 days, it is coming down. So most of the pairs that did exactly what I said here that that's going to happen because of this USD index going down and USD getting weaker. Now, like I said, that it is time to think over and be ready for an upswing. If I'm right, then we're gonna have something. Something will happen in that Jackson Hole, and then it might just make the turn and then go to the upside. So be ready for that. That's what I'm saying, and that's what I'm making this video for. And the monthly chart is also, you can see here, it broke a little bit below the TL here. It might just go all the way to this outer TL. This is a monthly chart, by the way, right? It was here when I made the chart, 1753. I said it's going to make the turn, go to the outer TL first, inner TL, sorry, and then if we break that, we might go to the outer TL, and that's exactly what has been happening, and it is very close now. We are to the target, right? So this was I said that 1930. It was a long time ago. It's long gone. Forget about it. We are now 0893 and break below that, and this TL probably hold it. If not, then we go all the way to 0698. Right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel so you can get my videos on time. Like I said, that all yen pair. Oh, by the way, let me just quickly show you what is. Be ready for the yen pairs because yen. This is a pound yen. Pound yen dropped, went up to 78, came down, and it is very close to 23, 38 and 23% line here, right? Very good chance that it's going to make the turn and then go to the upside. Okay. This is kind of like a Gertie pattern, 61%. Then it came down here, 38 instead of all the way 23. That's okay. And then went up to 78 and then dropped. So Gertie played out nicely, but I don't think that's going to come down all the way. And it's probably going to go up from here, right? And this is yen, euro yen is doing the same thing. Here you can see 61 point C and point D, 78 exactly, and then drop. So this could be, remember my failed Girdley thingy, right? So from 78, it can come to the 38, and if we make the reversal, it will go to 127, which will be, I don't even have it on the fib here. 127 will come. Let me just quickly see that. Ay, 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 I have it here. Maybe I can grab the fib from somewhere if I have it. Okay, very good. I have nowhere. Maybe at the end. Yeah. Let me see if I can get this and then go back to euro yen. Euro yen, euro yen, euro yen here. So now I have this fib, and from here to here, 127 we need, and this one 141 coming to this, so 161 is here. So somewhere there, if we make the turn, it's going to go all the way here, right? Good chance, very good chance for hundreds of pips. Similarly, USD yen is making a double bottom here after 50%. So if they move, it's going to move from here, from this level here, 4507, and making a double bottom. And then this can go all the way to into this area as well. If USD start to get stronger, I just showed you there, right? So USD get stronger, then boom, this will go to the upside. So these are the setups I already made, making the chart. I'm still making like this one. And then I'm going to post for my subscribers on the Telegram, right? So they will have it, or maybe I'll send them out on in the emails for their emails, right? Because I have a lot of free trials going on the Telegram as well. So that would be not fair enough for my subscribers, right? So I'm going to email them all these chart setups, and then be ready. Be ready. And by the way, this one, gold is making a long setup, very beautiful, good long setup here. See that? Very, very good long setup here. This one long, this one long. Every time it makes a setup, then it is a long, right? So 25, 15, 80 right now, and then it can go easily. This is 100%. It dropped here, and then now it can break that 100% and go to 127 or 161, whatever comes first, right? Final target, I think that it is my target is 2561, which is very close to this 127. So maybe this is the next target. Who knows, right? I have a long going on, and I will show you later on if I hit the target. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week. And by the way, if you want to get the system and learn how to trade like this, then go on my website. It might be here somewhere. Yes, this is my website, right? CreativeTradingSystem.com, and you have a lot of things here that you can take advantage of. One-on-one learning, coaching, harmonic pattern, Elliott wave courses, a monthly subscription, 6-month, yearly, lifetime, all of these things are here, right? You have different options. So, pick and choose whatever good for you. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.